of the best offer to promote with pay-per-call today is the HVAC services. Yes, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanel Sylvestre and I just discovered this one, which is HVAC services. Yes, they pay a lot. $68 per phone calls. If you can have someone spend 120 seconds over the phone with them, you make $68. That's awesome. So let me show you on my computer this offer, and let me tell you, there is a way that you can promote this HVAC services even if you don't have money to promote on Google Ads. Keep watching. I'm going to show you very quickly this method at the end of this video. So the first thing, we're going to go to the offer together, and you're going to see this offer and all the advantage and benefit of this offer. So if you are new to this channel is about pay-per-call. Even if you don't see a lot of subscribers, it's because of the nature of the topic that I'm talking on my channel. It is not a wide audience. It's for people who just need to make money using pay-per-call affiliate marketing. Let's go to my computer and show you the offer and show you at the end the method to use to get sales or phone calls and make this juicy $68. Let's go to my computer right now. As you can see, that's the offer. HVAC and bound, 120 seconds. It is in the category home services. And you can see the payout is $68 for target call. And merchant is allowed to refuse to call. So the merchant that who are the advertiser, so you may send phone calls and they refuse it. That is okay with them. They may not accept. So the call limit per day, it's less than 30 till end of the day. Okay? But the amount of calls you can bring until April 11, 2024, it's more than 99,995 phone calls. So let me show you the reason you have to promote this. So if you can see the allowed traffic, you can see right here where it says the allowed traffic, you're gonna be surprised, guys. Let me show you the type of traffic that they allow. They allow you to use SEO. Let's say you have a blog, you can write blog post and try to use organic traffic by making some SEO on your blog post and rank for some keyword and get sales or get phone calls. The second method is paid search. So you can use website like Google paid search or Bing ads paid search or maybe native ads to run traffic for this. And they accept native ad like display. They accept social media. That is one of the best part of it. They accept social media. That means you can use Facebook groups. You can use Facebook Marketplace. You can use TikTok. You can use Pinterest. You can use Snapchat, Instagram to drive traffic to this offer. And they even accept email. You can send email. But the best part of it, you can use like offline service. So you can use SMS. You can send your phone number, the phone that they're gonna give to you, to some friends. And by SMS, if they end up calling, if they make more than 120 seconds, guys, you make money. You make $68. So that's one of the offer. Now, if you want, guys, you can jump to this offer and applying and start promoting. Let's see the description, the rules for the offer. The rules for the offer, they say you can bring phone calls Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. If you bring phone calls out of this time range, you will not have any conversion. They will not credit you for the phone calls. So you say call approval 7 days. Repeat callers are not paid if people call so many times. Let's see what is a qualified calls for this offer. They say callers interested in furnace and air conditioning repair, new furnace and air conditioning installations, new system estimate, new weather heater estimate. So let's see the traffic that they allow. Guys, this is what gonna make you a lot of money. Allowed type of traffic: Google Ads, Facebook Marketplace, YouTube, TikTok, email, SMS, SEO, GMB, I don't know what that is, no incentive phone calls. So I know what question you're gonna have. Mr. Vanel, can you show us on Facebook Marketplace how people are promoting this? Yes, people are making serious cash in all the 50 states in United States. They use a simple method on Facebook Marketplace to generate sales, because this offer, as you can see, allow people to use Facebook Marketplace. So let's see how they listed the product to get these eyeballs to the offer. And if someone contact them, boom, they get this $68 every time someone call on the phone number. Let's go right now to Facebook and let me show you. As you can see on Facebook Marketplace, when I type HVAC services, you can see bunch of HVAC services. How they list them? They list them as someone who has something to sell. They don't say that they are like a technician or things related. They just say HVAC, heating and cooling, HVAC service, HVAC free new HVAC system, brand new AC system. So when you contact these people, you have to do the same thing. When you type HVAC service, see how people list them. When you try to contact them as a customer, they're gonna send you the phone number of the company, which gonna be the phone number that the network give them. So if you call on this phone number, boom, they make $68 if they are promoting the same offer like you. So this is the method they use. They just list product like for sale, and you will see picture of HVAC things, and you're gonna do the same. You're just gonna copy what they do. When someone contact you, yes, you send the phone number to call, and when they call, they're gonna go to the company, and the company will pick up the phone, and after 120 seconds, after 120 seconds, as you can see right here, you will get credit for this. You will get this $68 for target call. To finish this, don't find any excuse. One thing you have to know, people will always need this type of service if they live in places like California or like in Florida, some places where for the summer they will need this cooling system, this air conditioning system. So guys, I hope this video will bring you a lot of value. If you find value out of it, and if you need me as your coach, because now I have a coaching service where I help you create ads on Google Ads or even on Microsoft Ads to just bring sales. I have a lot of students that I'm coaching right now. They are making sales. They are making a lot of phone calls and get a lot of money using pay-per-call affiliate marketing. So if you need my coaching 101, it is a little bit expensive, but don't worry. You're going to like it. You're going to make a lot of phone calls and have a lot of return on your investment. I am Vanel Sylvester, as I said. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share with your friend. Bye-bye.